Hey people, I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm just here by the waterfront in Tampa. So you guys kind of see what it's like down here. Oh, all those fish, look at all that. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's millions of them. That's crazy. That's the convention center. Yeah, folks, this is my new hometown. So I've been here about 2 years now. Almost 3. Flag. See how pretty this town is. Go fast. Woo-hoo. I made it. And that's the park down there. You guys see how fast I walk? Because I was way by the boat when I started. I get it done, I don't play. I do not play. Get it done, son. This is a cool view. Alright, look at that. Okay, I might do a little bit more, but I don't always be trusting these bridges now, but I'm gonna do it today. Woo! It's not even. That's why I don't like these things. See what they got going on over here. Should be some stairs somewhere. Okay. I think I gotta go get into it from the other side. I'm about to jaywalk, give it. Okay. So you guys can see, I think this is the beginning of the, yeah, it's the beginning of the river walk. So I kind of did it backwards, I guess. Just come into it and bam. This is pretty, man. This whole walk has been very scenic. I'm not gonna be here too much longer because I'm starting to get sweaty. It's very, very humid down here. That's where I was at, where the boat is at. It's a beautiful little setup. This is cool down here. I like this. That's what I do when I'm off. I just get out. I don't stay home, people. I really don't. I don't know how to. I mean, I respected the quarantine as much as I could, but I can't do it no more. And I'm about to get off because I want to get a couple of pictures. So, all right, people, here we are.